Good day, learners. Let's quickly calculate the Kc value. Kule reaction at new equilibrium. So, with statement we're given the number of moles of P at equilibrium, which is 0.8, number of moles of Q at equilibrium, number of moles of PQ at equilibrium. Then the temperature was increased and the new equilibrium was established, which means we're going to two equilibrium. So we have the number of moles of P at a new equilibrium, which is 1,2 mole. So the number of moles of the first equilibrium initial weight. Then the number of moles of the new equilibrium equilibrium. Okay, then sitsho sikwazi ugcwalisa itable phaa. So nansi ke ngonye indawo ebalulekileyo sijonge i-ratio leya. Since kungu-2 lapha kwi-reactant izothi -2x, since kungu-1 apha kwi-reactant izothi -x, since kungu-2 lapha, since kwi-product izothi +2x. Okay, so ithini le nto? 3,2 plus 2x is equal to 0,8 minus x into 0,8 minus 2x is equal to 1,2, which means ngakwazi solve x by using layer. Now let's solve for x. So we say 0,8 minus 2x is equal to 1,2. So I will transpose this one. I have minus 2x, which is equal to 1,2 minus, since it's positive, I will be negative, minus 0,8. Then I will use my calculator. 1,2 minus 0,8. Then I get minus 2x, which is equal to 0,4. I will divide by -2. Divide by -2, then I get x. -2, I get x, which is 0,2. So power table up on x, I will put -2. So if we can look here, we have -2x. So in place of x, I will put this is -0,2, I will put -0,2. So it would up, I have 0,4, because if I calculate out of -0,4.